Bum, 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 bum. We need to. Dun, 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 dun. Another day, another trading session. Let's see what we can get out of trading today. I mean, when we look into the daily time frame, it's an absolute mess. This is just going back and forth. There's no clean price action or where price really wants to go. And having that as an understanding, it's either what I've done for the majority of this week, which is study it and see what price really wants to do. 9 p.m. and take the trade in pretty slow. So as of now, personally, I want to see how we're going when 9:30 opens, how we're going to react instead of this hourly SIBI. And I'm also looking at the midpoint of this wick. I mainly don't want to see price get above this high. It could and then keep going lower. Absolutely, but for more efficiency, I want price to stay instead of this hourly. We have relatively equal lows and social liquidity right below here. We already took this social liquidity pool, which could easily cause the market to go above this high and then continue towards buy side liquidity. And it's completely possible instead of this consolidation range. Anything in here is low probability. Like one of the things that I'm gonna try to do this morning session is just try to take a low hanging fruit pretty much on the 1 minute time frame. Take a little scalp, low hanging fruit, bread and butter setup, and not looking to catch massive setup because the probabilities of you catching a continuous trade and inside of this daily consolidation, it's gonna be pretty rare. So, I mean, the fact that we have triple highs right here, and that was on Wednesday where we never really went above a significant buy sell liquidity pool. That to me was outstanding. Like that was like Jesus, triple highs. But they will definitely get taken out at a later point in time. It's just too smooth. So we also have this inversion suspension block right here. It's a B. If we go back to this breaker, I'm gonna give it a try for, and I'm gonna be looking if we create a CB or not. I want to see a retracement into it, but I also want to see that what we just have right there. Now, so I am moving my stop loss right above this high. We're gonna go lower, it has to do it now. There is no reason of price going back above this high and then going lower. It could, but I don't want that to happen in the space that it is now. I want price to just go to that buy side liquidity pool, sell side liquidity pool. We're gonna put it right above the right there. All right, and Well, oh my god. Yeah, that was the trade for the morning session. Like it's getting to a point where this is just like nothing. It feels nothing. We're good. Well, the winning streak continues. 11 trading days without losing a single trade. Definitely, I can't lie, it definitely feels good. Like figuring this stuff out. But that was pretty much it. I mean, that was the stream. I'll definitely make a I want to make a recap out of this little tray right here for some reason because I will have time to create a recap. But mm, yeah, that's the job done before 10 a.m. Job done before 10 a.m. Um, mm, yeah, yeah, yeah. That was it. 11 trading days without seeing us. Well, last trade that I took, I had a loss, but then I was able to recoup it back. Everything is recorded, everything is on the live stream. It's not me sugarcoating anything. I'm here live streaming every trading day with no safety net, and there's gonna be a time where you're gonna see me get it wrong. Like when I'm trading, I'm not saying that, oh, I'm unbeatable. I mean, that's definitely something that I'm battling every second of my life because it's not me that I'm better than whatever it is. It's just I've been aligned with the what price is gonna do. And it's something that we need to keep in mind. It's not that I'm a G and every single time that I get into a trade it just works. Kind of looks like that. But it's just me myself aligning with the algorithm. And today was also one of those things where you just have them. So definitely we're going back to the drawing board because it's not done. The job is not done. It's merely the beginning of it. We're gonna go back to the drawing board and seeing the things that could have done better. I mean, we saw how fast this was fast right here. This retrace instead of that breaker, that was quick. I'm gonna look back on the live stream because I was looking for the retest, and it retested and it went lower, and my filled was here. I was looking to get filled right up here, and that was so quick that it filled me down here. And I was like, okay, that's what it is. Stop loss right here. Generate a sell liquidity. What do I say? Well, I'm not. Yeah, I want to keep it like separate, but at the end of the day, like smooth edges tend to be made jagged. That's what I say on the study sessions. So it's really important. Like I don't when I'm not gonna push a button, I'm not doing it just because of it for the sake of it. It's for y'all beginner traders to also like understand what it is that I'm aiming for. And I'm building this library of real executions in front of the whole world, real study sessions with no safety net and no sugarcoating, no nothing, no edits. I don't want to do none of that stuff. I want to keep it as real as possible. So you see me execute right in front of your eyes time and time again for the last 11 trading days that I've taken a trade. And this is what I want to do. So I'm going to keep it there. I'll decide if I'll make a recap out of it or not. But yeah, that was the live stream.